Good evening and konbanwa from Sapporo. Actually, I just got up. I slept the whole day because I was so tired. I'm still jet lagged, you know. I just went out, ate something, took a little walk, and then I went back to sleep. And now I'm almost fully recharged. I'm still hungry again, but today is Saturday, and we definitely find something where we go partying and drinking and have a little fun and so on. And we will see what Sapporo has to offer to end me. And yeah, let's just go. I already found a tonkatsu place where I'm heading right now. That's where I want to go. We have some good tonkatsu. Because yesterday I had ramen. Today I also had something very nice. I think it was like some kind of a tempura bowl. And today I'm gonna have tonkatsu. Oh yeah, I'm actually already here. It's just down the street. One more. Yeah, so actually it's this place. I just overtook it, and yeah, that's where we're just heading now. Sumimasen, mate to kudasai? Mate kudasai?
Hi.
Okay. So I think this place is pretty good. There's a queue here, and yeah, we just have to wait. Actually, it was the wrong restaurant. This is the one. There, not here. Yeah, I'm definitely not 100% awake yet. So yeah, let me just bring you to this fine tonkatsu place. Ta-da! Konbanwa. Arigato. 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 Yeah, see, so this is a small place. I think they just specialize in tonkatsu, but this has very good reviews. So, oh yeah, so very nice. They have the English menu. So this looks good. This looks also very good. And this looks also very good. Oh, they have rib rolls, katsu curry, special filet katsu curry. Chicken filet katsu curry. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I think I'll go for the katsu curry. Sumimasen. Katsu wa agemono to iu imi desu.
そうです。
はい。
すべてあげて。
Yeah. 1フィレカツオクリください。
はい、かしこまりました。
ありがとう。
ありがとうございます。
So I got my food, the tonkatsu. It looks so delicious, yeah. To ても美味しいです。
ありがとうございます。会計2090円でございます。
ありがとうございます。私だじゃあね。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。チャオ。あ、どうもありがとう。
はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。Oh, she was so nice. I dropped like a coin and I didn't find it. So I said, you know, it's okay. It's really just a coin, you know. And she went all the way to look for it, found it, and, you know, gave it back to me. Super nice. I have to say, man, Japanese people are probably the most friendliest people on our earth so far, what I saw when it comes to being mindful and service. Yeah, definitely. If you ask me, Big Plus Japan number one. Japan ichi. Nihon ichi. So, since my belly is full, my system is running now. Now I want to look for a bar or something where I can, I don't know, drink a beer or something to start the evening. But I'm not sure where yet. Okay, so I was looking around in Google and I actually found a bar. I was looking for a hip hop bar. Today I don't know, I feel like I want to listen to hip hop, so I found the Booty Club. And yeah, I'm looking forward to checking out the Japanese take on hip hop on a hip hop bar. So yeah, let's go. I just arrived at the Booty Club, but actually it looks closed. Let me just switch the street. Actually, yeah, I don't think it's open. Yeah, I just want to go over and see. Oh no, there are actually people coming from outside, so from inside. So yeah, maybe let's give it a try. Maybe for, I don't know, for a drink or so. Closed?
Upstairs is open.
Upstairs open.
Not this floor.
Ah, okay. When does the floor open?
At 11.
11. Okay. Arigato. Yeah, I'm inside now. Konbanwa. 1札幌ください。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。So actually, I exited the club. I really liked it, to be honest. I love the music, I love the atmosphere, but there were just not, maybe there were, 5 to 10 people on each floor. So I decided I leave. It's already 12 or past 12, and yeah, I don't think it will be fuller. I would love to, go back there if the club is full, but it wasn't today. And to be honest, I'm still kind of a little bit, what's it called? I'm still kind of a little bit tired from the travel here to here. So I probably go back again to my capsule hotel and try to catch sleep and get a proper sleeping schedule so I can do actually things during daytime. So yeah, this is it for now. Signing off. Peace.
ウィンドウ終わったろ